Let's talk about the world's biggest election. It's happening in India. .8 crore voters, more than 2,600 political parties, and one likely outcome. So, will this election be 5 more years for PM Narendra Modi, or country is going to give chance to another candidate as a prime minister? And who is going to win this seat of Sant Kabir Nagar? So let's see what's going on in India and why this election is going to be such a big deal. So let's begin. Good morning everyone, I am Muskan Mishra from Khalilabad and welcome to all of you in this new segment of Parliament elections. The first thing to get your head around is the sheer scale of holding an election in a country of 141.7 crore people. The number of registered voters in India is 98.8 crore. It will take 15 million election workers and millions of polling stations. It's happening in 7 phases, from April to June, with the different parts of the country voting at different times. Now, India is a parliamentary system like the UK, for example. People will be voting for the candidates to represent them in the lower house of the parliament. There are 543 seats and the political party or alliance get a majority, forms the government and choose the prime minister. The next thing you need to know is who is up against who. There are thousands of parties running, but here are the key players. There is the ruling BJP, that's Modi's party. It has been get a majority on its own in the last 2 elections with 282 seats in 2014 and 303 seats in 2019. This time Modi sets a target for an even bigger win. He wants 370 seats for BJP alone and 400 with his allies.
और अब की बार पूरा देश कह रहा है अब की बार.
On the opposition side, we have got the Congress party. It dominated Indian politics for decades, but these days it's much weaker and it's linked up with a bunch of other parties to take on BJP as India Alliance.
The disconnect between our politics and our people. And here was this group of people, in a few weeks it became thousands and then millions, just walking.
That's Rahul Gandhi as the leader of the Congress party. He is from India's most famous political dynasty. His father Rajiv Gandhi, grandmother Indira Gandhi and great-grandfather Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru were all the prime ministers. Let's talk about Khalilabad, which is also going to get election on 25th May in this 6th phase, where the number of candidates nominated in this election, but some strong candidates likely to face a big challenge. Praveen Nishad from BJP party, Pappu Nishad from Samajwadi party and Nadeem Ashraf from BSP. Some new voters are also eager to be part of this year's election.
It's my first time to cast the vote and I'm very excited to be part of this democratic election. And I also request to all of you, use your rights because this nation needs everyone to be aware. Thank you.
I hope this video is very helpful and wish you all the best to use your rights to choose your government. And thank you very much.